Welcome. So for this round of videos, we've been looking at the idea of enlivening samples using sidechain techniques with a gate. And the gate, which is here, is being triggered by a drum sample on impulse. And that drum sample has a MIDI pattern assigned to it. And this MIDI pattern triggers the gate. That's it, opens and closes it. Now in the last two videos, I've been looking at percussion. So for this one, we're going to listen to the effect of this on pitched material, in this case a bass synth. So let's have a listen to this bass part being sidechained to the kick. And without the sidechain, so that's what it's like. Try again. It is a matter of dialing in what you feel is kind of the right sort of response. See, I don't think that having that much of a return, as it were, in this parameter here, actually gives us much that's actually controllable. We've still got a few clicks to kind of contend with, not too many. So it always helps to hear this stuff in relation to some other musical items. So I have a kick drum here doing 4 to the floor. Let me start that up. And then this percussion part. Now the beauty of the MIDI pattern is that you can change it. Let's get rid of that one. Now the loop itself, the sample loop, is 2 bars, so we just have a 1 bar pattern here. But some of the stuff that's really interesting, I think, is when you can loop just small sections to give it different kind of rhythm parts. And again, if you've watched some of the other videos, changing the start point will reveal different parts of the loop. It's as if we're kind of scanning through it with something like a mask that you might use on Photoshop. And again, this kind of moving around also will also be affected by what the settings are on the gate. Let's try the next section. So as well as having a 1 bar pattern, we also have these mini kind of looped sections that we can also use. Move the start point, move it to the middle, move it to the end, and then back to the beginning again. And again, as well as moving the start point, we could just as much just move the loop itself. And again, this gives us another start point that we can move around. Remember that if you use flip, the controls operate in reverse. And then flipping it again. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed that and see you next time. Bye for now.